A Twin Cities man says he lost his job for failing to call in sick while he was in the hospital with COVID-19.
WCCO's Liz Collin dug into what happened and explains what rights employees have.
To be honest with you, with COVID, I was not thinking about calling in. I was thinking about breathing.
Bob Labar admits he's still not 100% after his bout with COVID-19 last month. For the last year, he worked as a robot technician at the medical manufacturer Intracon in Arden Hills.
I had a headache and kind of a halfway sore throat.
Following policy, Labar says he notified his employer the day of his symptoms and left the workplace.
I went and got tested. It came back negative, which allowed me to return to work. And then I got the rest of the symptoms from COVID, and they hit hard, just knocked me out.
Labar went by ambulance to M Health Fairview at the U of M, where he was hooked up to oxygen, relying on what he learned from a favorite hobby to help him recover.
If it wasn't for the scuba training, I think I would have panicked.
Labar says he last called into work on October 26th.
I was in the emergency room and I called them and said they're talking about staying here at least 1 or 2 days.
3 days later, he sent his medical records to Intracon, only to be told,
"We've taken that you have resigned because you didn't call in for 3 days. And, you're out of here."
In a statement, the company told WCCO they're not able to disclose information about employment matters, but that they are, quote, deeply committed to the health and safety of employees, particularly during these unprecedented times. It says they follow all applicable laws relating to workplace safety and leaves of absence and closely monitor relevant guidance.
I had no clue this would ever happen.
The bar is looking at what options he has now, still in disbelief where a COVID diagnosis has left him. Liz Collin, WCCO 4 News.
Employment attorneys told WCCO that employees have COVID-19 protections under both state and federal laws. The virus is a qualified disability under the law. Attorneys caution that some employers are making many moves under the cover of COVID, and they urge employees to learn their rights. We have more information on our website.